Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact monday.com support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have a profile on monday.com. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the home screen, my work, and we have your actual workspace. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact monday.com support. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So guys, there are two options. You can go to the top right corner and either click on the question mark here, which is the help, and you can see it here, or you can click on your avatar and then scroll down and click get help there. But it is more convenient to go and click on the help center here, click on that. And now what you need to do guys is just go and choose how can we help you, ask them there, start a quick chat with them, as you can see, or you can go and click on contact us, or call, write, or chat by going and contacting them there, as you can see. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.